No day in Colorado, boy. No, I got a big boy boots on. I ain't even finna play with them. What you talking about? All right. Oh my goodness, look how much snow that is, man. Bro, look how far down I'm going. Bruh. It's soft though, like. I mean, it's cold, don't get me wrong, but it ain't like crazy. Oh, they done cleared the roads already. Finna walk over to this hot tub, man. Get right. This is insane. No way I was finna park in this, try to shovel all this snow. Not me. Oh. I'll update y'all once I get there. Oh. 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 Bro, it's crazy. Oh. Oh. Yeah, baby. I get in there. Heated pool. Hello?
This is my advice. A lot of times I like to goof around and have some fun. I'm being dead serious right now. If you don't have to get on the roads and go anywhere today, stay home. And if you can't stay home from work, stay home. If you can work from home, work from home. Because it is a sloppy, slushy, in my opinion, a treacherous mess because you think...
Made it to that hot tub, baby. Snowstorm and JB in the hot tub. Yeah. Shit. It's windy. Check me out. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. In the middle of a snowstorm. School's closed. But guess what? Everybody else in bed sleeping. Guess what I'm doing? I'm in a hot tub. I'm getting better. You just don't know me. You don't know me, son. You just don't. Snow's getting crazy. Yeah, GoPro JB, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Yeah. Appreciate Wonka Hunt. Clutch. I'm shy both companies, man. Wonka Hunt sent me a whole bunch of stuff a while back. Hooked your brother up. Everything I need for spring fishing came to Clutch. But my boy Cooper Thor. These are my babies right here. Ketchums. And Ketchums. And hello. Yeah, these hard. These going on right now. Hat in here, shirts. Oh, let me put these on my glasses. I think I'm doing this right, y'all. Oh, this part should have been showing on the back. Yep, got it right. It's in there, hoodie too, shirt. Kind of clutch, man. I'm gonna do a whole nother video on me wearing each brand. Gotta show love, man. They show love to me. Oh my God, look at all this gear they sent me, dog. 6 cents. Yeah, hoodie, man. Man, that hoodie fun. Shirt. Beanie. Long sleeve. I ain't have to do that like this. And we got them dead little netless football jig heads. Oh my God, I'm not telling. That looks good, don't it? Yeah. I'm throwing swim bait. I thought I was gonna put on the Ned rig. I ain't never caught a fish out of this pond. I seen some dudes catching out of it, but they were using live bait. I think my spot might be out fish. But I'm gonna keep trying it out. I think last time I fished it for it was the summer. Find out to do this open. So tie this on. Where my bag at? Fishing bag. This how confident I am. Only bringing one. Let's catch something. I'm only gonna fish this, force myself. Make sure there ain't no breaks in this line. That'll be good. Should be good. Oh yeah, baby, let's catch some fish. And if I catch something out of here, I might just be the best fisherman I ever touched. Planet Earth. Walk, everything. It might just be, I pull something out of here right now. Man, you gotta know I love y'all, man. I'm out here doing this. Oh, step through it. Woo. Oh, found a better way. Bowling some months. No backlash. We'll take it. Reeling this slow. I ain't never really fished a jig. Well, I have, but just never had much luck. Oh, Lord. Caught snow. Hey, I ain't gonna hold on. Hey, I'm going down, down, down. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is insane. Oh, that must have fell off the roof. Stick. Thought that was a worm for a second. Look at all that geese doo-doo. Oh, goodness. Geese love the dookie dookie. Dookie dookie. Now, I know they stocked this lake with trout and stuff. I don't know how to trout fish. So I just always come out here for bass. Watch just do that net rig and just reel it up to the top or hit the bottom. The deadly net, they gonna catch them. Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. See this water. Just cast from up here. Oh, almost fell. Look at the little snowman. Walk to the other pond. Well, I tried, y'all. Been out here almost 2 hours. I ain't bust a grape. I ain't stand on the grape. Nothing. I'm talking about I ain't bust. Well, I tried, y'all. I ain't bust one grape. I'm talking about not one. Stood on it, ain't busted. Soft as cotton. Tried though. You still got to see this beautiful view. But no fish came out the water. Not even the bait fish. That'll be all right. What's up, Jake? Oh, oh, oh. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, they got a trash compactor back here. Don't you go down that drain, fall down there, Drake. Come on. Oh no. Don't tell me there's ponds back here. That's where the fish is. No way. No. I don't see it. What you smell it? Too much water right here. Gonna veer off. Oh, Drake. All right. Yeah. Let me see you work, Drake. Come on, Drake. Hey. Yo.
Hey, yo.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
Out here walking around with Drake.
Oh, nigga, all right. Nigga, what that nigga was? All right, man.
All right. Rock Creek Trail. Make it happen. Yeah, you're not the bottom, but he made it happen. All you could be. On the real, I gotta start taking walks, man. You visualize. Think about your day. Stop. Stop, Drake. Stop. Oh, so stop, boy. Draco. Stop.
Is that a puppy?
Yeah, 6 months.
The girl or boy?
Boy.
Oh.
Look at that chain.
Oh, look at
Hey.
that.
Say what's up, Drake?
Your plan is, 14, 15 and 0,
Oh,
whatever the playoffs are. But, believe the bar for most of us fans might be a little lower to start off. If we just see a good bowl game, that would be great.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that sweet chain. What's her name?
Draco.
Draco. Oh, boy. Okay, what's his name? Sorry about that.
You all right?
Yeah, it's hard to do an equipment inspection, especially for the
Little ones.
Yeah.
He's still a puppy. He ain't.
He's friendly,
Yeah.
though. He's friendly.
It's had a black lab.
Yeah, yeah. What, Sanders? What do you think?
Hi, Sanders. Hi. Hey.
Yeah, that was his name before, before
Hey.
your coach.
Yeah, that's fine.
He got, yeah. I was just like, hey, that's an auspicious. I mean, we were all psyched when.
Meant to be.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you so stubborn. Draco. Come on. Oh. You made it out, Drake. Back in the house. Drinker wore me out, man. I can't even lie. So take me a good old shower. Went through a couple of them. Oh, y'all see my room? Yeah. Yeah. Pictures fire. Hold on. Surround sound with the LEDs. With the LEDs in the bathroom too. Yeah.